We're on our way to Savannah, Georgia, and we're taking you along. Hi, we're Saida and Jermaine, the creators of Travel Check-ins. In this video, we'll walk you through our arrival at Savannah's boutique hotel, the ANDAZ, and show you exactly what the ANDAZ King Suite with suite experience looks like. The moment our car pulled up to the property, the pampering that comes with booking at the ANDAZ began. We were greeted by valet, ushered into the hotel lobby, and offered a chilled glass of champagne. Upon check-in, we learned we were upgraded from our king room to this suite. But before we take you inside, we'd love to invite you to join our YouTube family. If this video helps you decide whether or not to book this room, we'd like you to follow us for more useful content by subscribing to our channel. We want you to be part of our journey as we share practical resources for life, travel, family, fitness, and finances. And stick around to the end to learn why I like this hotel, but I believe it's a fatigued hotel. We booked the ANDAZ King bed during the holiday weekend. The room rate was $467 per night plus a $33 destination fee and a $45 per day charge for valet. For our stay, we used 18,000 points per night to cover our costs. As Hyatt Globalists, valet and breakfast are complimentary. Upon check-in, we were upgraded to the ANDAZ suite with the suite experience package. It includes a complimentary welcome beverage and complimentary select minibar items, which I'll talk more about in a moment. The total price per night is valued at $737 before tax. As you guys can see, I'm gonna give you a quick tour of the room. We're in suite number 404. Looks like we have a coat rack here. We have a little mini bar area over here. We welcome you to enjoy your ANDAZ mini bar. All beverages are complimentary, excluding any alcoholic beverages and Red Bull. So I think these chips are gonna be complimentary, even though it doesn't say that, but I remember the lady downstairs explaining that. And then these Kashi honey almond flax bars are complimentary. I'm not sure about the gourmet nuts, but it says if you need any additional items, please call our front desk and they'll come and replenish. So the waters, the apple juice, the sodas, those are all complimentary, and the things down here, these are for a fee. Yeah, that's how that works. This is the ice chest, which is kind of small. Okay, we got a little barista or bar table right here. Got 2 chairs, which is perfect. Okay, it's kind of dim in here. That's one thing. Let's see if I can find some more lights. There's not really a lot of, there's no overhead lighting except for what's over the bar area. So this is the living room area. Let's go ahead and head outside. The bedroom doors, looks like you have double doors here. Looks like you have some nice flooring in here. Got a little carpet here. And as we head into the bedroom, we have a king size bed. Have some artwork above the bed. In the window area with blackout curtains and a sheer shade. On this side, we have a nightstand table, and we have this lamp. Let's see if I can turn it on. That's that. And that's that. So you have 2 light settings. You have a bright one and then a dark one. You have the clock on the table with the charger, so you can set your phone on there, and lots of USB plugs. We have some large drawers here. And the headboard is upholstered, has a nice upholstered headboard. Oh, the bed feels comfy. And then over in this corner here, we have a little chair that you can sit on and get dressed. And then over here we have more storage. Okay, can't really open that drawer because the chair, not all the way at least. And these drawers are soft close. And then here we have a little basket for more storage and another soft close drawer. Then you have the two doors. I like how they have the door open, makes it nice and inviting. Let me show you what it looks like with the doors closed real quick. Oh wait, no, I did it the wrong way. Here we go. Okay, so this is what it looks like with the doors partially closed. All right, other nightstand table is wonderful. It looks to be the same as the other one. So there's charging here. Only thing is there's no charging clock on this side, but there is plugs. All right, let's take a look in here. In the closet, we have some bathrobes. We have an iron, motion sensor light. We have a safe, and it's a good size. Looks like it can fit a camera in there, laptop, jewelry, cash. Also have some complimentary slippers down here, so it's nice. Up top we have an extra pillow, extra blankets. And now we will head into the bathroom area. Okay, so in the bathroom area, we have the tub space. And it's like one of those old-fashioned tubs. It's really nice, has the old-fashioned handles that you can take and shower yourself off with. Very cute. And the old-fashioned knobs, and one is for shower, one is for bath. And it looks like the products that they have in here are from CO Bigelow. They have the shampoo, the conditioner, and the body wash in the community pump bottles. Then over here we have the bath mat, and we have some soap and the tub stopper and some other bath linen, some washcloths and stuff. Then over here we have the shower. It's a narrow opening for the shower. Have the towel rack here. It's a narrow opening, but it's actually wider than the last room that we had. Doesn't have a rainfall shower in here. For one, because they have a light in the ceiling. And for two, they could have, but I can see they have like a different kind of style in here. And again, there's more of the shower and bath products. And then over here is the double sinks. You have two sinks. You also have your vanity mirror over here. And then you have more bath products here, more hand soap, more washcloths. You have some body cream and some more hand soap, some cups, some napkins, more towels, hand towels, body towels, got a hair dryer down there, and a bath mat. And then in this little area is the toilet. So that's the tour of this bathroom. It has a sliding door with a frosted glass mirror. I guess the drawback of this bathroom is going to be that only one person can be in here. There's no door to the toilet area, so it pretty much means that when one person is in here using the bathroom, no one else can shower. Just a few things I want to point out. The hotel does have some wear and tear. It's like a little dingy. Just just a little bit. You know, guys, I like to show authentic reviews. I don't know if you can tell, but the tub is not all that clean. And I actually, now I don't know if you guys can see that, but some of this stuff can use a little updating. Just wanna be authentic and keep it real. Am I locked in here? Yes, I was. So that's just one of the drawbacks. I like staying at the ANDAZ. The only thing is that it just sometimes sometimes a tad bit on the I guess you would say grimy side a little bit. Sometimes it looks like they could do a little bit
older
of a
side.
older. My husband said older side. Older side. They look like they're nice. They look like they do a lot of updating in the main areas, but when you have things that are painted white, you really, and I know because like we have a lot of white walls and white cabinets in our house, you really have to just wash this stuff, wipe this stuff down, because you do see a lot of like you can just see everything. You can see everything, every piece of dirt, you can just see it. I didn't notice, but we have some more plugs over here as well. But that is the room. You have your thermostat over here. In this particular room, we have an adjoining room door. But other than that, we like the room. Jermaine has sprayed down everything with Lysol spray, and then we will also wipe everything down. So a lot of times, you know, we don't make too much of a fuss about fingerprints and little stains here and there. And we also stay at these places because we want to give you guys a true and authentic review of our stay in these places. And sometimes I feel like people do this brush over, and then when you get to the place and you actually see it up close, you may feel like, oh, it's not as clean as I thought it was. And I'm like, I've been to third world countries, so I'm really kind of flexible, but I do like to share authentic reviews. And I hope you guys enjoyed this review.